What's up, everyone? I'm back with another video. I have here the OnePlus 6. I got a Skinomi Screen Protector. Now this is not a tempered glass. This will be a wet install video. So I just thought I would just show it to you, give you a review on this skin. This is one of my favorite skins. Another thing too, reason why I'm going with this is that the original screen protector that I've been rocking on the OnePlus 6 was getting cloudy. It was starting to cause me some problems, and it was interfering with the quality of the screen. And I've had ordered tempered glass ones, but for some reason they are lagging. I don't understand it. They knew this phone was coming and they decided to lag on the delivery. So Skinomi was the first one that showed up, so it's the first one I use. So let's start off. This does have a lifetime replacement warranty. You have to register it at the Skinomi's website. Now what you do get on the inside is the screen protector. What else here? Your microfiber cloth, and there should be some Skinomi liquid. Now this is actually made out of a mild detergent and water. This is not a solution that will help with the adhesiveness of the screen protector. This is just to help you position the screen protector for that perfect installation. So I want to go ahead and do an install right quick. Make sure your hands are washed. Make sure you are in a lint-free area. If you do make an installation, I'm sorry, it's best to do these type of installations late at night, so you can allow the actual screen protector to adhere to the screen for the best results. You don't want to use it too soon. You may have some problems. So let's get everything together. Have the screen protector. This supposed to be one more thing in here. No, I guess not. 1 second. Widget squeegee. Anyhow, as many screen installation videos I've done, you would think I would have this laying around. All right, what you need to do, put the solution on your fingertips because you're going to be handling it, and this helps minimize fingerprints. You spray even the non-adhesive side. Don't worry about it. This spray helps it helps with installation. Peel one of the corners. Once you get the corner up off, you spray the sticky side. Now go very evenly. Don't overdo it. Spray a little bit on the screen. Make sure you don't have any lint on your screen also. It should move properly where you see how I have the movement here, where you can align it with your port opening. And if it doesn't move, then that means there's not enough solution on there if you can't get that nice even slide. So you set it up with the ports and everything and all your opening. Then what you want to do is take out your microfiber cloth, wrap it around your widget. Now it's going to move a little bit while you're trying to squeegee out the water. Hold one side and go to the ends like this, left and right. Check for movement. If you're satisfied with it, if there's been any movement, make your adjustments. It should still be enough liquid on there for it to move. All right, go to the top, squeegee it out. Reason why I'm going this way, side to side, so I don't squeegee any water towards the ports opening or the headphone jack. And like I said, if it's all possible, do not use the phone. Also, don't forget to register online, because I think one thing about these type of screen protectors, Skinomi, is they require you to send them back the one that's defective. So you can't actually get a new one without them having the old one. All right, look like I'm done. Boom. Nice and flawless. Got a couple of little OCD bubbles in here for those OCD people out there. Once you made this commitment of getting this screen protector on, I would advise you to try to live with any type of mistakes you have made. Now that the majority of the water is out, I can pretty much start squeegeeing in every direction to make it look the way I want it to look. Again, if you can help it, for the third or fourth time I'm saying this, avoid using the phone. All right. I think that was an A+. Like I said, wet stars are always the easiest and always the best. Get a close up. Make that a little adjustment. You see I had to slide that over. And the thing is, you can constantly make adjustments for the first, I guess maybe about 5 or 10 minutes. See how I had to slide that over because it was covering the actual flash. And OCD. After installing, make sure that some of the corners and the edges may still be wet and the squeegee won't be able to force it out. So what you have to do is go across the edges with your fingers to help the skin adhere to the screen protector. If it seems like the screen protector won't stay down, it's because it's still wet. Let it dry for about 5-10 minutes, come back and finish going over the screen protector to make sure that the screen protector takes really good to display, takes to the display. Nice installation. And like I said, there's still enough moisture under there for maybe another 10 or 15 minutes where you can possibly slide it. Do not lift it and then readjust it if at all possible, because the solution that we use is not an adhesive solution. It's a little bit of water and a little bit of detergent, which allows you to slide around. And once it dries, then it is what it is. So that's pretty much it for the Skinomi screen protector install for the OnePlus 6. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Have any questions, please leave them down below. Other than that, we're out of here.